The 2025 Audi Q3 completed a new set of safety tests, and it delivers the kind of steady reassurance drivers want in a small sport utility vehicle. In the frontal offset crash, the cabin stayed stable, and protection for knees and femurs was reassuring for both front occupants. In the full-width barrier, chest protection for the driver and a rear passenger was only marginal, and testers observed the driver's pelvis slide under the belt in a submarining moment, which led to a penalty. That detail matters because it highlights how belt fit and seating position still influence outcomes on the road. In contrast, side impact performance shows the Q3 at its best. It achieved top results in both the barrier and the more severe pole test, with good readings across critical body areas. Far side control was adequate. The center airbag is designed to limit head-to-head contact, but in certain situations, it may not fully prevent it. Whiplash protection was strong for front and rear seats, supported by sound head restraint geometry. Beyond crash metrics, there is advanced emergency call, multi-collision braking to avoid secondary impacts, and checks that doors and windows can be opened after submergence. For families, the Q3 treated the 6-year-old and 10-year-old dummies well in frontal and side evaluations, with clear airbag status information and straightforward child seat installation across I-size and ISOFIX positions. There is also an indirect child presence detection function that warns if someone small might have been left in the vehicle. Outside the vehicle, the front structure is mostly friendly to heads, legs, and pelvis in the mapping, with firmer zones around the screen pillars. The camera and radar system reacts to pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Reverse pedestrian and cyclist dooring features may be available, but are not universally assessed. Lane support provides gentle course corrections and can step in during critical situations. Speed limit reading uses camera and map data, and the limiter can be set, though it is not default on. Driver status monitoring focuses on fatigue rather than distraction.